The redevelopment and renovation of the National Stadium is expected to take place in 2025, the year of the World Athletics Championships in Japan. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the plans are following a specific timeline and work will begin in a relatively short space of time. More in this report.
The wait for renovation work at the National Stadium has been extended by at least another 2 years, according to Prime Minister Andrew Holness. A recent report by TVJ Sports highlighted the dire state of the facility. And after an announcement on June 13 by Sports Minister Olivia Grange in the House of Parliament about the upgrading plans, Prime Minister Holness has added his voice to the pending improvements.
To do a project like this, it's not done overnight. So this project has been in the concept stage for almost 4 years, and it is going through the phases. I'm happy to hear, Minister, that you have completed the important phase, which is the public investment phase. So now you are in the final designs and drawings, and then after that it's procurement and then construction. So we will expect to have it, I would say, within 2 years we should be able to actually start.
Sports Minister Olivia Grange lamented that with the architectural drawings completed, the next process takes time.
The process now that we have to complete for the Ministry of Finance will take a year. We have actually completed the PIMSEC process.
PIMSEC meaning the
public investment right.
Process, yes.
And the Minister of Finance has committed to providing the funds to go to the next stage, where we are asked for architectural drawings and so on. And that the Minister of Finance has indicated that we're ready to go to the next step.
And there's no hiding from the archaic nature of the National Stadium that was constructed in 1962.
What is clear to us is that the stadium cannot accommodate the modern needs and the growing sporting prowess of Jamaica, whether it be football or track and field or any other sport. And then clearly there is the need for a modern facility that can host mass events.
Even with a common theme that the stadium needs a facelift, one regular patron is not overly concerned.
Well, boy, I probably made the wrong man for asking, because I love the stadium. Even though people might have said it outgrow the thing and we probably need a bigger capacity stadium. I come here so much from me small. I remember my mother bring me 1966 something named Holiday and Ice and all when the Commonwealth Games, all them time. I was 8 years, I come here. And I love come and see the stadium. In fact, the new light, them and thing look nice, but I like the old time light pole, them and thing. Alright? So I don't feel so well. I'd rather mash it down if we need a bigger capacity. Find a next place and make a next one, but we must keep this.
In 2022, there was an estimated cost of 11.6 billion Jamaican dollars required for the redevelopment of the stadium. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.